In this video, we will have a look how to restrict the file type. So maybe we don't want to receive all kind of files here. So maybe just image files or just PDFs. It depends on what kind of product you will sell. So I will now show to you how you will restrict that. For that, you will open up the app. Let me refresh it one more time that you see where I clicked. So now I'm on the app dashboard. I will open up the button. In my case, it's this one. I will go to edit. Now you can scroll all the way down until you will see the tab behavior. You can just extend it. You can scroll further down and here you will also see file types. We will also expand that as well. And we see by default it's set to any type of file. We have now the opportunity, if you just want to receive image files only, to click that button here. But if we want to specify it by ourselves, we can just use this option and go to custom. And now what we can do, we can just type in the ending, but we don't need a dot. We can just say, for example, .pg, enter, and then you will see this is overtaken here. I can now save it. Now the changes are saved. I can just refresh the page one more time. And if I now go to choose image, for example, choose a local file, you will see I cannot tick the PDF because it just allowed the JPG. So I will go here. I can open it, and then we have now the file type restriction, and now just image files can be uploaded.